Okay, what about this question? Here he wanted to get which of the following equivalent to this. Okay, we'll check here. It's a expression, and he wanted a factorization bracket, so it's factorization. Amazing. Before factorizing, what you will do, you will take a common factor as we agreed. Here he took 4. Look at here. Yes, the 4 is the least number that you will take. So I will take 4 as a common factor. So what is the rest? To know the rest, you should divide by the common factor. 16 divide 4, 4, and here s power 4. Minus 4 divide 4, 1, and here t squared. Remember when I told you if you saw that you have two terms and inside negative, you will make two brackets, positive and the other negative. Do you remember? 4s power 4 equal to s squared, and here 2s squared, right? Square root of 4s power 4, square root of 4 2, square root of 4 2, square root of s power 4 s squared is squared. What about t squared? Square root of t squared, t and t. So the answer will be here C. Okay, as 4 will be here too. Okay. Okay. What about the discriminant? What is the meaning of discriminant? Discriminant or number of solution is b squared. I'm sorry, solutions b squared minus 4ac, right? So what about b squared minus 4ac? Here as a is 1, b is negative 4, c is 8, right? Okay. What about when you solve b squared minus 4ac? You have 3 options. Greater than 0, so you have 2 solutions. Equals 0, so you have 1 solution. Less than 0, so you don't have any solution. Okay, let's solve. If you wanted to know the discriminant or number of solution, you should make b squared minus 4ac, right? So you should get the answer of a and b and c. A is, do you remember here, ax squared plus bx plus c? A coefficient of x squared, which is here 1, b coefficient of x, which is here negative 4, respect to the negative place, c is 8. So what you will do here, you will substitute in the rule to get b squared negative 4 all squared minus 4 times a times c. 4 times 1 times 8 will be negative 32. So you have here 16 minus 32, get negative 16. Negative 16 less than 0, so you have no solution or 0 solution. Okay. What about this graph? It's so easy. I wanted the standard form, which is ax squared plus bx plus c. The shape of quadratic, which is parabola. This is called axis of symmetric, and this is the vertex. Okay. Here, what is the highest point of vertex? What is the meaning of this? If you have graph like this or graph like this, what is the difference? Both for parabola, or it's called parabola, or for quadratic function. Okay. The difference is that here a is negative. If it goes down, a is negative like this, negative 2x squared, and goes up, so a is positive. If goes up, so is positive. So you have here a, which is the coefficient of x squared, 2. Here the vertex, so if the vertex in the highest will be the maximum, and here if the vertex is lowest or the lowest point, so it's called minimum. So the vertex is here. Axis of symmetric that divide the graph here equals to here. Okay. Solutions are x-intercepts. Solutions can be called zeros or roots. Okay. What about the second one here? Here you have 2 x-intercepts, and he wanted the equation. If you want any equation, you will get the x-intercepts and plug in the brackets with the opposite side. So you have here x-intercept negative 1, and here x-intercept is 3. Plug in the equation, so x plus 1, and here x minus 3. Okay, then you should look at this direction of the question. A goes down, so it's negative here. Then we'll expand these brackets. Okay, x times x squared, x times negative 3 x, 1 times x, 1 times negative 3, then don't forget to put negative here. Okay, as here, like this. Okay, you can expand negative here and here and here to get negative x squared minus positive 2x positive 3 if you want to expand. Okay, what about here? The type is quadratic. It's called quadratic function, and here vertex 1 and 7. Okay, a vertex, this point is called a vertex, this point, which is 1 and 7. Okay, what about this? Here, what does he ask for? He gives you equation y equal ax squared plus bx. You will write it here.